Let us say you have a rectangular object 30 meters long leaning against a wall, and the height of where it touches the wall is 13 meters above the ground. The length here along the object is 30 meters. What I want you to do is calculate the angle A and the angle B. Also this length. Let's call this X, and the distance X from where it touches the ground to the wall. So I want you to calculate A, B, and X. Alright, so pause the video, go ahead and calculate it. Okay, you've done your calculation. How did you do? What did you get? Let's see how you deal with this. This is really a triangle. If you consider this triangle, so this is 30 and this is 13, and this is the angle A that you want. You have the angle A. The side opposite to A is 13 because A is on the left of the triangle, at least my left, and the 13 is on the right, so they're on opposite sides. So you have opposite and you have hypotenuse. So therefore what it means is that the sine of angle A is the opposite, 13 divided by the hypotenuse, 30. Now how do you get angle A? Angle A will be the sine inverse of 13 over 30. Alright? So sine A is a certain number. You know the number. What is the angle? Whose sine is that number? You just sine inverse the number. Alright? So A, angle A is the sine inverse of 13 over 30. Let's see what this is now. The 13 over 30. 13 over 30 equals 0.4333. Now the sine inverse of that. And the calculator, you would press shift or second function. But on my calculator here, I do this. I get 25.68. So A is 25.68 degrees. Alright? So it is 25.68 degrees. Now what about angle B? Alright, let's see what happens now. This is rectangular, so this angle is right angled. And to go from here all the way around to here is 180 degrees. So what I have is that this 25.68 plus 90 plus B gives me 180 degrees. Alright? So B would be 180 minus 90 minus 25.68. This amounts to 90 minus 25.68 because 180 minus 90 is 90. So 90 minus 25.68 is what? 90 minus 25.68 equals 64.32. So what you have is 64.32. Alright, write it over here. Alright, 64.32 while A is 25.68 degrees. Good. Let's erase some of this thing here. We need the space. Oh, I have a little space over here on the right. So let's work the X over here. Alright. Now you want the length X. Now if you consider going up here, down and back. It is a certain triangle. We go up here, down and back. Where this angle is at 25.68 degrees. This is right angle, because this is the wall going straight up, and this is 30, and you have this 13 too. You don't even need the angle. What you can do is just use Pythagoras. You don't need the angle here. You were already given the hypotenuse of that triangle. It is 30, the object that leans against the wall, and the 13, which is the height here. So what does Pythagoras theorem say? Remember, Pythagoras theorem says that the length of the hypotenuse square is equal to 1 at the other side square plus the next side square, call it x. Alright, so when you transpose, you're going to get x equals 30 square minus 13 square. So x would be what? 30 square is what? 3 3 is 9, 0 0, 900 minus 13 13, 169. So 900 minus 169. Let's just do that quickly. 900 minus 169 gives you 731. So the horizontal distance that the plane traveled, or no, not the plane, I was mixing it up with another video. The horizontal distance from where it touches the ground to where it touches the wall is, what was it again? 731. 731 me. No, what am I doing? Mistake. I missed out something here. You notice that 30 squared is equal to 13 squared plus x squared. I forgot about the square. I'm saying, boy, that 731 is really high. So x squared is equal to 900 minus 169. So x squared is 731. Nice. X squared is 731. So how do you go from x squared to x? You just find the square root. The square root of x squared is x. If you square root this side, you have to square root this side too. So what is the square root of 731? Let me put the square root in front of it. Square root of that is 27.03. Let's call it 27 then. So it is 27 meters. So what you have here is 27 meters for this horizontal distance.